Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down in order to find the account section. Now let's tap on accounts and sync, and of course you can tap on the Google and there you can add and remove the account. However, I prefer to do it by using this section. So let me tap on it, and as you can see, we do not have any Google accounts added. So let's begin this whole tutorial with adding a new one. So let's tap on add account, choose Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. Now we have to go back, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can remove it also whenever you want to. Just tap on it, tap on more, and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. However, be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Xiaomi 12S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.